Are you struggling to load different components in Angular based on route parameters? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to dynamically load components based on whether your route parameter is a string or a number. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your application doesn't behave as expected, especially when you're trying to manage different types of data. This is a common challenge for many Angular developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to load different components based on the type of route parameter. They provided examples where a string parameter should load one component and a number parameter should load another. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to solve this. So what's the issue here? Angular's routing can be a bit tricky when it comes to distinguishing between different types of parameters. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can implement this easily. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your routing even more efficient. To achieve loading different components based on the type of route parameter, the user should first define a single route that captures both string and number parameters. This can be done using a regular expression in the route path. Next, the user needs to create a guard that will determine the type of the parameter. This guard will check if the parameter is a string or a number, and then redirect to the appropriate component. After setting up the guard, the user should implement the logic in the dynamic component to load either the string component or number component based on the guard's output. Finally, the user should test the application by navigating to the defined route with both string and number parameters to ensure that the correct components are loaded. Fun fact, did you know that Angular was developed by Google? It's a powerful framework that helps developers create dynamic web applications with ease. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use the matcher property in your route configurations. This involves creating a matching function that utilizes regular expressions to determine if the route parameter is a string or a number. Here's the pro tip I promised. Consider using route guards to further enhance your routing logic. They can help you manage access based on parameter types or user roles. And there you have it. You can now load different components based on route parameters in Angular. Remember, mastering routing can greatly improve your application's functionality. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.